Welcome to the REDMI Redmi 10A, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open the Google application, and after that tap on the right down corner to more icon. For example, let's use this account, and here click down to the settings. After that tap to Google Assistant and scroll down to the general options. After that you'll see here Google Assistant switcher, and just to turn off Google Assistant click once on the switcher, click to turn off, and that's it. Now Google Assistant successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.